Okay, so talking about the text about bats. We have found that there's some vocabulary words I want to go over that's going to go over in my lesson and used in Miss Alexis's class, okay? All right, here under our word wall, we have extinct, roost, echolocation, mammals, nocturnal, and pests. All right, so we're going to talk about them right here. Extinct. Extinct is no longer living, okay? That means the species have all died. So, and we know extinct a lot from what we found about dinosaurs. Is there dinosaurs living? No. That's because they are extinct. Next, roost. A resting place to perch. Now, there are a lot of animals roost, okay? So we'll talk about that later on in Lexi's class. But roost is they're perched up somewhere, so they're hiding. A lot of times, and you'll find in the text where they were roosting. So bats roost in caves, in barns. We have some that roost up here in rafters. So there's a lot of different areas where bats will roost. Now, echolocation is determining the distance of object using sound. And we saw in our text that bats are using echolocation to capture their prey, in which a lot of times their prey is bugs, okay? Most of them have bugs. So one of the key sentences that I want to go over, bats use more than seeing to catch their food. Bats, like dolphins, use something called echolocation. So you see that bats are not the only ones that use this type into getting their food, getting their prey. So we see that dolphins and bats have something in common. Now, mammals. Animal groups in which the females produce milk for their young, okay? And there's lots of different types of mammals, and we'll actually have an activity that you can do later on with your groups on finding what is mammals? What other things out there are mammals? Nocturnal, active at night. What are some animals that are active at night? Raccoons, very good. Oh, skunks, yes, okay. So there's lots of animals that are nocturnal. Now, pests. Animals that are harmful or troublesome to humans. Now, bats take care of some of those pests, and that's why a lot of farmers will create bat boxes on their properties, especially on farms. Do they want those bugs eating their plants? No. So they take care of the little pesties. Perfect.